I've just received a text from him.
What's his excuse?
Ati akasungwa.
Kusungwa? As in getting arrested?
Yes. Actually, he spent the night in custody.
For what?
He didn't say. I don't go down.
Sungwa? But I hope akasungirwa zvinhu zvine musoro.
So, Chief, aren't we doing anything for Eddie?
Huh?
True me to say Eddie. Aren't we doing anything?
Yeah, we are. We are waiting for him to be released while we work.
Morning, Chef.
Morning.
That's what my husband will arrest. What was the charge?
I'll give you a charge to you.
See, charge again.
Twii charge here.
So come cause me release him.
I don't want to charge any obstruction.
I said release him now. Besides, we
are making progress, Chef.
Remember, I gave you 5 days in sort of story. Now my son will need 3.
I only need 1. In fact, but only a CCTV footage, he would have the sum of the robbers. And you watch it afterwards.
Good news.
Ndikubva kujimu. Saka pandamboenda kujimu ka ndabva ndati rega ndombonokera. Ndabva ndati jimu ndikati bhap ndokuzoya muno. ndakandambonotwasamudza nyama Matilda mazuva acho angareba ndisingaende kuchimwe. Zvetii Matilda yakwamira vambototangira mboita zveshawa tazapedza shawa wozoita kuti Matilda kutoenda kujimwa uzamotombodisa stress. Does I don't have an option? Do you have a choice? Matilda, handina option but iwe rega ndimbogeza.
Welcome back from college, young man.
What happened? Chidezi.
Mohsin.
Chief. He just arrested me in line of duty.
Iwe, hapana zvaurikumbotaurai ipapo.
Okay, now we say East Road. So the police happened to be there. Now it's over this phone number.
Which story?
The Ndoro story.
And did you manage to get the scoop?
What school are you guys talking about?
Look, Chief. Look, Zamagusia. Robbery Ndoro. But it seems like everything is fish about the whole story.
What's fishy?
Everything, Chief. The fakes are not faking. Look, Chief. Ndoro. Kuti marobhazi vakanjira mung'anda. Imari vakaibura. Ende vakabhudha. Vakabona vakabona kubhudha vakati chivajisipe. But the police believe that the robbers took the money. There's something.
Sir.
Yeah, so I'm investigating the issue. No, Chief. I'm just trying my shot on investigative journalism.
For your own information, you are very bad at it. Itai zvamajaira wafanani.
But
no, but. And don't dirira. I want you to go and cover that car clash. And it's starting at 10 up to 5.
Car clash?
Yeah.
But Chief, Matilda didn't look at a couple since I don't have anything that I'm doing here. He needs to go home and freshen up.
Who said you got nothing? Because I died. Iwe wakanganwere kuti kune press conference yaida kuitwa. Minister West Sport and Culture will be in town. So you need to cover that. Chienda pamachine pako cheke madetails ako ugadzire uende. And you, I'll give you an hour to go and freshen up. Right. I want every detailed updates on all socials without fail.
Oh, don't worry. I'll make my own coffee.
And please, I know what happens to society people.
Kunaenda foni yako nini?
Hello, King. Oh, yes, it's Edwin, sir. Oh, yeah, I think it's a. Really? When? Today, yeah. Today I can make it. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. I'm definitely coming today. Thank you. Good day. What? You won't believe who just called me. Ndoro himself.
What? Are you serious? Sure, I'm serious. Auntie.
It seems like he is ready to talk to the media.
This is a golden opportunity.
Indeed. Golden opportunity.
So, what about the cup clash?
The clash. I'm going for the golden opportunity.
Mati. Thank you. Shita. Thank you, Mati.
Oh, Mashita.
Baba,
Yes, Mati.
manje kumbira kwakumbosvika kumba ndokuvuka mangwana makuseni.
Udaenda umbezvozvo kwakanaka.
Mwana wangu anzaita flu. Saka baba wako anonoka kubva kubasa. Saka idomba ndimwana ndoita seiwo usiku uyu.
Shame. Utogona kuita va. Alright. Iwo uchipinda mbandiri wopedzisa basa rako rese nezve zvauda kuita. Once wangopedza chete nenhako. No problem. Aiwa chitendei. Inini ndichazoita vaenzi. Ndine muyeni ari kuuya kumaraundi 4.
Muyeni?
Ndemushamwari yangu ari kuuya but haambotore nguva. Ufunga zvekuma 20-25 minutes anenge atopedza kana 15 minutes chedzo tenge tatopedza kutaura chitori padwezi.
Aiwa. Ndichavasaba.
Anditira. Mati usati waenda. Pondoi mwanangu. Utengera vana maparacetamol vari kurwara. Ndoyega mari yangu iri muchikwama ichi. Mati.
Baba musazvinetsi zvenye. Aifuma paraceta ariko kumbakara.
Matilda. Zvino unofunga kuti pondoi ndeichazodzosa upfumi hwangu kana yandifumisa. Alright, unovatengera maorenji.
Baba musazvinetse kani mazvinetse.
Aiwa tambira kani Matilda. Ndogara ndakakudza mwanangu. Unoziva muupenyu mari haina kana basa, haina basa mari muupenyu. Chakakosha upenyu hwemunhu. Saka enda kunotengera vana maorenji sezvo wati maparaseta aripo. Handizi? Aiwa ufambe zvakanaka kamati. Waita basa. Okay Mati.
Wapona vile wachizi. Ndo pamba parugara Mr. Ndoro kana.
Ndima kuti kwakwadzireni.
Ndandauya kuzivawo.
Asi ndimuenza uchangaita uronza chikazoona.
Ndiye.
Yes. Tatoti munhu unosvimwe.
Mati?
Ndatipinda henyu varini.
Maita basi.
take a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Ah.
The legend himself.
Legend for dead.
No.
So, tell me something. Do you drink?
Yes, I drink, but I got it in picture.
Okay, so you want to make pijama? You don't want pijama. So give me a minute, okay?
All right.
I'm coming.
It's fine.
Journalist.
King Ndoro.
My journalist. That's not what I'm
King.
Okay, it's for you. It was long back. Not anymore. During the 80s, yeah. Not anymore. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Cheers.
Yo.
To the friendship. Oh, shit.
Oh, sorry.
Excuse me. Let me just change this.
Oh, no,
Then
that's fine.
I'll come back, okay?
All right, okay, it's
Okay, I'm so sorry. Give me a minute. Get me. Yes. Yeah.
Boston, say D.